Hey everyone, it's Tom. I'm here in my house, in my garage, and I'm gonna help my friend out, Ramiro. He just got this new Seadoo about a month ago, and he's new to trailering, so I told him we need to get some trailer guides. So what I'm gonna do is, he ordered some, sent it to my house. I'm gonna go ahead and install these for him today, and so it's ready for the weekend. There. Woo! One down. On to the other. My poles went in. Took about 30 minutes to do that. Wasn't too bad. And then I figured while I was at it, I'd go ahead and install this for him. Spare tire mount, which took about 10 minutes to put on. But it's there. He still has to order the spare tire, but it's ready to go for this weekend. Ramiro and Kyle, but we're here at Little Munyon. We just got here and we're gonna maybe throw some lines out and see if we can catch anything. But in between, we're gonna have fun and ride out there in the intercoastal, maybe take a run out to the Peanut, and then maybe an ocean run. But we'll see.
Oh shit! No, it's on GoPro though.
Well, you're cold out now. I don't have your case on your GoPro.
Huh?
The waterproof case, you don't have it on there.
It's waterproof with that, right?
Yeah, up to certain.
It looked like it wasn't as deep.
I'm here at Munyon with my friend Josue, and he got that new Seadoo. There's Kyle back there. He's got the stage 2 on it. I think it's nice, and I'm a Yamaha guy.
Bye.